Hey, this is Jason from Classic Touch Floor Care. We're at a wellness center, and this is one of their massage rooms that I'm going to be cleaning the carpet on, commercial carpet, and this is definitely a doozy. Take a look at this right here. You can see obviously where the massage table was, but typically places like this have a lot of oils in the carpets, and we're going to have to figure out how to handle that and take care of it as best we can. So follow along. I'm going to take a video of all this. It's going to be a lot of fun to see what we can do with this. All right, so right here, just walked in, just showing you a quick overview. So, take a look at this. Right now you can see the difference that's made in this carpet. There's some shading that is picked up by the cameras, but in person, this looks almost brand new. From what that was beforehand, that's pretty amazing.